रिहला ए दोस्ती का अर्थ है दोस्ती का सफर या मित्रता की यात्रा। यह शब्द हाल ही में भारत और कुवैत के बीच 250 वर्षों की मित्रता के उपलक्ष्य में कुवैत के राष्ट्रीय पुस्तकालय में आयोजित एक प्रदर्शनी के संदर्भ में सामने आया है। इस प्रदर्शनी में दोनों देशों के बीच ऐतिहासिक संबंधों को दर्शाने वाली दुर्लभ वस्तुएं जैसे पांडुलिपियां, दस्तावेज, किताबें, मुद्राएं, तस्वीरें आदि प्रदर्शित की गई। प्रदर्शनी का उद्देश्य दोनों देशों के बीच ऐतिहासिक, सांस्कृतिक और सामाजिक संबंधों को दर्शाना था।
Actually, before like a couple of months, I met His Highness Mr. Modi here in Kuwait, and I discussed with him, the exhibition. We're gonna organize an exhibition reflecting the strong and old relationship between Kuwait and our great friend in India. This relation, which has been started, which was started in 1775. So it's like 250 years partnership between Kuwait and India, and it happened eventually. So this exhibition is organized by NCCL in cooperation with the Indian Embassy here in Kuwait, and we presented a lot of items, valuable items and documents reflecting the old and strong relationship between Kuwait and India starting from 1775. So we covered all the Indian harbors, because at that time many Kuwaitis lived in India, in different Indian harbors, starting from Surat, the Gujarat, and then Mumbai, Porbandar, Goa, and Calicut in Kerala. So our relation with India added a lot of value for our economy, for Kuwait economy before all the discovery. So this exhibition is very valuable, as I mentioned, and many people they visited this exhibition. Also, we organized a lot of panel discussions. So we invited three of the Kuwaiti to talk about their grandfathers in India, to share the experience of their grandfathers in India. So as well as there was two specialists and two historians. One of them he presented, or he talked about the Indian words in the Kuwaiti language. Also there was like a significant effect on our languages, Kuwaiti language. As well as we invited one of the historians to talk about the maritime history between Kuwait and India, and the route and the direction. So many Kuwaiti families, they used to live in India for many years. So as a Kuwaiti people, we have a great memories with our friend in India. And as I mentioned, this relationship with India has or there was a very positive impact of our economy before oil discovery.
पाक की नापाक हरकतों को दुनिया के सामने उजागर करने बीजेपी सांसद बैजन पांडा के नेतृत्व में कुवैत पहुंचे। प्रतिनिधिमंडल ने भारत और कुवैत के बीच 250 वर्षों की मित्रता के उपलक्ष्य में आयोजित एक प्रदर्शनी का दौरा किया। आपको बता दें कि भारत ने अलग अलग देशों में पाकिस्तान की कायराना हरकतों और आतंकियों के भरण पोषण की बात सामने रखने पहुंच रहा है।